Hi, this is Sirisha from Dr. Y.C. Jameson Government Polytechnic, Kuppam. So today I would like to discuss about transistors. Transistors means transfer of resistors. It transfers the signal from low resistance into high resistance. So if we connect two PN junctions back to back, it results into a device called as transistor. A transistor is a three-layer, two-junction, three-terminal semiconductor device. Transistor is also called as bipolar junction transistor. As the name indicates, a BJT bipolar junction transistor has two PN junctions. In BJT, the conduction takes place due to both positive charge carriers and negative charge carriers. We can say like that majority and minority charge carriers. Hence the name bipolar junction transistor. Transistor has two junctions. One is emitter based junction or collector based junction. So we know that we have two types of transistors. One is NPN transistor and PNP transistor. We can classify these transistors depending upon we dope the semiconductor. So as we know, we have two types of transistors, PNP and NPN. These are the symbols. The first one represents NPN transistor, second one represents PNP transistor. The arrow mark in the emitter terminal represents the direction of flow of current in a transistor. We know we have three terminals in a transistor: emitter, base, collector. Here, this is a NPN transistor. A p-type semiconductor material is sandwiched between two layers of n-type material. Hence, this is NPN transistor. Here, this transistor works in active region, cutoff region and saturation region. So, we have three terminals: emitter, base, collector. Here, a p-type semiconductor represented in green color is sandwiched between two n-type semiconductors. So, the middle layer is represented as base. Either side, one is emitter, the other one is the collector. So these three terminals are attached to three layers. The center one is known as base and the other two layers are emitter and collector. So coming to PNP transistor, base is nothing but a n-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor is sandwiched between two p-type semiconductors. So as we saw in the figures, you can say the middle part, base, is very thin and it is very lightly doped. The either side, one is emitter, the other terminal is called collector. So collector has more area compared to emitter, whereas in doping, emitter is more doped than the collector. Collector is area wise very big but moderately doped. Emitter, it is highly doped but area wise it is moderate in between collector and base. So herewith we finished the formation of